Hello, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into a face-off between two contenders in the mirrorless camera ring, the Sony a6400 and the Canon EOS R100. So grab your popcorn and let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the price. The Sony a6400 is priced at around $1,007. Many reviewers appreciate its great quality and advanced features, making it a worthwhile investment for both beginners and seasoned photographers. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R100 is significantly more affordable at about $599, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Reviewers note that this camera is a great entry point for serious photography, especially for families looking to improve their picture quality. So if you want to save some cash, Canon's got your back. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff. Image quality. The a6400 boasts a 24.2 megapixel sensor with real-time AF and object tracking. Reviewers rave about its impressive image quality, especially for outdoor photography, although some suggest purchasing an additional lens for best results. Meanwhile, the R100 features a 24.1 megapixels APS-C sensor and the DIGIC8 processor. Users have praised its clear image quality and versatility, making it a great choice for capturing family moments. Both cameras deliver exceptional images, making this a tie. Next up, autofocus. The a6400 features a whopping 425 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points, making it incredibly effective at tracking subjects. Reviewers have noted that its autofocus is a standout feature, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. The R100, however, comes with 143 zones of dual-pixel AF. While it performs well, some users have mentioned issues with autofocus reliability. Thus, the a6400 takes the advantage here as the autofocus ninja. When it comes to continuous shooting, the Alpha a6400 can fire off 11 frames per second, making it great for capturing those spontaneous moments. Reviewers have loved this feature for action shots. The R100, however, shoots 6.5 shots per second. While it's decent, some users have expressed a desire for a quicker burst rate. So once again, the a6400 takes the round for being the faster option. Let's wrap it up with user-friendliness. The a6400 has a tiltable LCD screen, which is perfect for vlogging and checking your frame while filming. Reviewers have highlighted this feature as a big plus for content creators. Meanwhile, the R100 is compact and lightweight, making it a great travel companion. Many users appreciate its ease of use, especially beginners. However, for those looking for versatility in vlogging, the a6400 screen is a cherry on top. In summary, the Sony Alpha a6400 is a powerhouse camera that excels in features and image quality, though it comes at a higher price. The Canon EOS R100 is an excellent budget option with good image quality, making it ideal for beginners and families, despite some concerns over autofocus. Overall, both cameras have their strengths, appealing to different types of users. So there you have it, folks. The Sony Alpha a6400 is a powerhouse, but it comes with a price tag that might make you cry. The Canon EOS R100 is the budget-friendly option that won't break the bank. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next product showdown. Until next time, keep buying smart. And remember, the best camera is the one you can afford.